Yes, welcome back. Now, the last video we were able to create our seller account, and we were also able to set up our profile with our picture uploaded. So if you didn't watch that video, I'd like you to go back and watch that video. I will leave a link to that video in the description or somewhere in the screen, up there. You will see it pop up. You can watch that so that you can understand, because setting up your profile is critical. It's very, very critical. Okay, so you need to do that. All right, so that you can be successful on this platform. All right, so now we want to create our first gig. Want to create our first gig. Well, what to create depends on your industry. Like for me, my industry is web development. I am an expert in web design and WordPress. So I know what to do there. So, but the first thing you need to do is to check out what other people are offering. What are they doing in your industry? Now, this is you trying to do reverse engineering. Okay, so you need to come here and check out what others are doing. There's no point trying to reinvent the wheel. You can just check what others are doing and model your own service after them. Okay, so you can see here when I type in WordPress, this is what other people are offering regarding this WordPress. Okay, so look at it. You see, this one said, I will fix your WordPress website issues or errors. That's a service. This one said, I will fix error. This one said, I will design, redesign, or fix a WordPress error for $195. I will create a website for your business. And his chat said, I will create a WordPress website for your business, and it's starting at $200. And this guy has made has about 69 reviews. This one has 894 reviews. This is a good one. This one has 6. I'm not fixing issues. I want to design. So you see that these are all the different services I can offer under this WordPress development category. Okay, develop. This one said, I will create, fix, customize your WordPress website, and it has over 1K reviews. Let me see what it has. Our studio will build responsive WordPress website for your business. I want somebody with very good reviews. I will fix issues and WooCommerce errors. Right? This one now. Those ones are trying to do some add-on services, but I'm looking for somebody who is building a site, because that's what I want to offer. I will create a professional WordPress website design. Yes, 100 and something reviews. I will create a complete WordPress website or e-commerce website. It has 205 reviews. Okay. I will create a WordPress website for your business. This one is a big dog. Starting at 1,300. We are just starting. We're not looking at those people. I'll create. Okay, so I think let's check out these few guys that have opened their own gig. This one said, I will create, fix, customize your WordPress website. So you see, this guy is clever. He said he would do that for $10. Okay, in this basic gig, I will fix one small issue of your website. You see, the $10 was just a bait. He used it to lure people to come to his page. All right. Now I said here, a standard gig is $200. High-end professional website up to 5 pages, color branding, SEO friendly. This is what it's offering for $200. This one says high-end professional website up to 10 pages, e-commerce, 10 products, speed, security, SEO friendly. These are the things it's going to do. And this guy has delivered over 2,379 orders. No, this is not the order. These are the reviews he has gotten. So from my experience, if this guy has gotten 2,379 reviews, it means that he has delivered over 3,000 orders. So look at what he's making. And I know that majority of the people coming to him will want to do e-commerce. So, and he's charging $350. So let's say this guy has delivered 2,379 orders at $350, right? Boom. This is 832,000 US dollars. That's what this guy has done. That's what he has made on Fiverr. And if you're from Nigeria like myself, let's calculate that times 530, which is the current exchange rate. So this guy has made 441 million naira working on Fiverr. Boy, this is something you cannot ignore. Okay, all right, so that's about that guy. This is second person, the same methodology. This one has delivered 1,115 orders, reviews. He has 9 in queue, right? So one landing with parallax, effects, slider, revolution, social icons, and contact form. This one is saying this one is actually fairly cheaper than the other guy. And then this one, the same thing, one page website, right? So I think I'm going to do this gig, one page website, fully responsive one page website or blog. Now this one, business website, $75. Enterprise website, $100. Okay, so I'm going to model after this guy. All right, you see, this guy used $10 to pull us to this page. So I'm going to do the same thing. All right, so like I said, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just re-engineer it. Work from back. All right, so this guy, this is the gig. These are the gig details. These are the things the guy is talking about. All right. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing. Watch me do this right now. This guy is a multi-millionaire. All right. So let's create a gig now. He said, I will create, fix, customize your WordPress website. You see, a lot of people will always have this problem. Some people are already learning WordPress, so at some point they get stuck. They can come here and get this service. Okay, so I'll do it exact same. So now there's something that you need to know. Fiverr has already by default written this I will is always there. So you only add the rest of the text. Okay, I will create, fix, customize your WordPress website. this one, professional WordPress website. This one, create WordPress. I like to use the word fix. All right, because okay, so I've added the title. The next thing you need to add here is category. What's the category? What's your category? What's the category? My category is programming. Let's select WordPress. Okay, I've selected it. Service type, backup, migration, customization, WordPress installation and setup, full website creation. I want to do full website creation. All right. So you come here, say gig metadata, right? So it's a blog, education, business, crowdfunding. This is my specialization. You just type all of this, job board. Just pick some things here. Okay, so you can come here, meta tag. You can write in WordPress, because these are the things you see now. So it's giving you suggestion. So WordPress is WordPress, comma, install WordPress. The next thing, type in WordPress again. So in your industry, it will show you the things, the tags you need to use. These tags are very important. WordPress blog, WordPress developer, another thing I can take here is WooCommerce. Okay, it's not part of it. Okay, let's see, do WordPress again. I need another one. Install WordPress help. Okay, I think 5 is what is allowed. So those are my tags. I've added the tags. I declare that I have obtained all licenses, rights, and permission necessary for offering this service. Please, some categories requires that seller verify their skills. Okay, which one is that? Okay, so now you move on, save and continue. Mandatory, supported plugin. Okay, plugins, inventory, payments, shipping. This according to my own industry, you understand? So your industry may not require this. Integration, all-in-one SEO pack, contact form 7. I understand what all this means, okay? Because it is my field. Okay, I can do all of these. I can do most of these. Elementor, WordPress, SEO by... Guys, just be patient so that you learn these things in the proper way, right? Those are all the things that I can do. So I need to go back. Perfect. Okay. All right, so I think we have passed that stage. All right, so we are now in the next stage. This is where you now set your pricing. All right, you set up your pricing. So like I said, you don't need to kill yourself trying to think this thing out. So I'm modeling everything after this guy. His basic skill is $10. I'm just coming in to compete with him, so I'm going to take that for $5. I'm going to do that for $5, right? Basic. Okay? You can name your package. This is basic. I'm going to delivery. When is this guy delivering? He's delivering in 2 days. 3 days delivery. Okay, I'll do it 3 days too. All right, so you just, like I said, guys, but I can deliver it. Number of pages, what is he offering here? Now this will be different according to your categories. All right, number of pages 5, design optimization, responsive design, content upload, 3 plugins, extension. All right, so I come here. I understand all of those because it is my area. Design customization, right? Number of pages, that guy is offering 5. Select number of pages 5. I'm going to do the same 5 pages. Design customization, content upload, responsive. Now if you are doing a different thing from me, you are going to see different. Fiverr is going to create different options related to that your own service. Okay, so don't get confused when you go to your own platform, your own service. Assuming you want to do logo design gig, you may see something different. All right, 3 plugins and extension. Okay, I'm going to add that too. 3 plugins and extension. Yeah, e-commerce functionality, number of products. Let me see, number of products. 10 products. I just put it here. Number of products 10. 10, 10, 10. All right, put 10 there. Okay, revision. He says 2. I always like to give it unlimited so that anytime the customer can come. So he's selling that gig for $10. I will do 5. Yes, I do 5. That is going to attract people, draw people to my gig. All right. So now the price number 2 was his second price. His second price package is standard. I'm going to do, he calls it most popular, is $200. High-end professional website, up to 5 pages, color, branding, SEO friendly. I'll offer the same thing. I offer the same thing. He's saying most popular. Most popular. Okay. And he's selling it. So I'm just modeling everything like what this guy is doing here. 7 days delivery, 5 pages, 7 days delivery. I'm doing it 7 days. The same thing. 10 pages. I think it's doing 10 pages. Oh, 5 pages too. 5 pages, design customization, 3 plugin, e-commerce, 10 product. The same thing. That's what it's doing. So I'm going to do it here. The same thing. All right. I'm going to do it here. 6 pages. Six pages. I'll do the same thing here. The same. the same. 3 plugins, 10 products, 10 products. Okay, now I'm selling, he's selling it 200. I sell it for 165, 185, or I can sell it for $175. 175. You know, I'm competing, so you need to be a little bit cheaper than him because he's already a big shot, is well established, so he can afford to charge whatever he wants. Okay, so now the premium business plus, I'm going to call it and business plus 2. There's no business plus. Select revision. I always love my revision to be unlimited. He's only saying few. So what do I do now? Come here, copy is on. Whatever he has written here, these are all services I can offer based on my skill level. So you make sure, okay, business pro. Calls it business pro. All right, so make sure that whatever you're trying to copy is suitable, that is something you can deliver, so that when people place order 10 days, when people place order, you don't start asking for extension, right? 10 days. So I can do that also in 10 days of 10 pages, 5, 10 pages. So he's also doing 10 pages, so I will do 10 pages. I'll do 10 pages. This. Making money online requires a lot of work, a lot of patience. You need to make sure that you're patient and you follow through the process. Don't look for quick money fix. Just make sure you take your time, you learn what you need to learn, acquire all the skills that you need. Don't worry, I'm just showing you how to create this gig, and it's charging $350. I will charge 300 for this gig. I will charge 300. All right, so I'm done with the pricing. Okay, I've done with the pricing. So but if you want to do only one price, you can just click off this and it will maybe give you just one option to do just one price. Okay, so this pricing, so you can add gig extras. You can add the extra basic. I'll deliver maybe in 1 day. You can say you can deliver in 1 day for an extra. Let's see what this guy is charging for his extra. Now, some people cannot wait for 3 days. They want it faster. You can ask them to pay extra for that, and they will gladly do. Right? They will gladly do. They'll gladly do so. Okay. So now, gig extra. Compare packages. No. This is a gig extra. These are the packages. This is a gig extra. 1 day it will charge $10. This one $75. So I'm going to charge same thing. If you need it in 1 day, I'll charge extra $10 for package 1. For package 2, I will charge extra $60 for package. I will charge extra $50 here. Here I will charge extra $60. All right, guys. So that is the gig extras. You can add more if you want to add. Okay. Let me see what this guy is adding. That's all. It didn't add more things. Okay, I didn't add more things. So you can now come to question and answer. Okay, so these are the things you can add to make your gig, to really make your gig rank, and also uh, help your gig to convert very well, right? Pricing. What is the issue? I've added everything I need to add here. Okay. Okay, select additional revision, extra revision, no. Block photo, no. Add gig extra. Save and continue. Add additional page. Set the price for an additional page to be added to buyer's website. Okay. Additional page. Fiverr, Fiverr too, they want to make more money. They want to make more money. Additional page. Select. Additional page. 2 days. 1 day. Oh, additional page. Okay, Fiverr wants extra page. Extra page. 1 page. How much? 1 day. For extra page, I would take $10 for every additional page. I'll take $10. Fiverr wants to make money. The revision, no, I'm not charging anything for revision. Okay, I'm okay for that. That is going now. So guys, this is it. You need to just take your time and make sure you do this. Please, if you are getting value, hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you will get notified. Please drop me a like on this video. It takes time. It takes a lot of research, a lot of energy to put this together. Please appreciate and encourage me. So now you want to give description to your gig, all right? So what do? You come here. This is what this guy has written, okay? There's no point killing myself, okay? You can only, maybe what you do, you may not necessarily copy it word to word. You understand? You can take your time and modify, but I have to do this for the purpose of teaching, all right? So you can modify this content, all right, to suit you, because some things he has written here may not be suitable for you, okay? It may not be suitable for you. So you need to write it so that you will not end up giving a false information that people will now contact you and then you cannot deliver. So I will later take my time. Like I told you, this account is just for training purpose. So you can take your time and do this, all right? So question and answer. Let's quickly add question and answer. All these things will help to boost your gig, all right? So take your time and make sure you do this, right? Question and answer. What do you do for $10? All right? Okay. He said, it's just for the small fix like CSS, add images, PHP small fix, background image, logo issues. If you have any big issue, please contact me. All right, so I'm offering the same thing. What do you do for $5? Right? What do you do? Do you do for $5? Okay. So my answer, boom, add it. I've added that. Add another one. It says, what's the next one? I am new to Fiverr. I'm new to Fiverr. How can I contact you? Right? So you need to go to, well, I don't need this question. Do you design custom theme? Yes. Okay. So, do you design custom theme? Yes. Do you design custom theme? See, it's important that you're careful what you are copying so that you don't copy stuff that you cannot deliver. All right. Okay. Can I contact you before placing the order to discuss my project? Yes. Okay. That's it. Can I contact you before placing order to discuss my project? So, can I contact you first before placing order to discuss my project? So that's it. So what's my answer? You drop the answer here and click on add. So you can add as many questions as you want, because this will be very helpful. Do you provide hosting and domain registration? Yes, okay, I do. If a customer, I don't. Okay, how? Okay, let me also copy that. I don't provide it. Do you provide domain name registration and hosting? No. My answer to is no. I don't do that. Okay. So, though I've not read what I'm copying, but I need to take my time and read them. Domain name. I don't provide all that service. So, you need to be careful what you say you can do. How to send you my custom image text. Okay. That's important. How to send you my content, images, text, or theme. Another question. So for every question, just click on add. How do I send you my content? That is images, text, and theme. Okay. How do I send these things to you? So I now drop it here. This is the answer. Please make a Dropbox and all that. So you give your customer, you guide them. This question and answer will help them to understand, to know exactly how to work with you, what you expect from them. Do you develop complete website yes. Do you develop complete WordPress websites? The answer is yes. Do you develop complete WordPress websites? Sure. Okay, so complete. Oh my God. Okay, complete WordPress website. The answer is yes. So you drop it I drop my answer again. Yes, I do. Please inbox me the details to get the custom offer. All right. So you click that. Custom offer is something I will teach you in subsequent tutorial how to create a custom offer. Will I be able to edit my website easily? I do not know programming. All right. Okay, so you see there, those are questions that will I be able to edit my website? Will I be able to edit my website? Edit my website was the question. Edit my website easily. I do not know programming. Yeah, that's a valid question. Be able to edit my website easily. Easily. I do not know programming. Valid. So you drop the answer here. Okay? You drop the answer. Now, this thing is applicable to every industry, every category you're going to work with. You're going to deliver your service. Please, I am doing this because I am a WordPress developer. I'm ready to purchase. What do I need to get started? I am just doing what I'm doing, this example, because I am a WordPress developer. So the same, okay, I am ready to purchase your gig. How do I get started? Right? So you place the answer there. That is to guide the customer, yeah, what they need to do if they are ready to place order. Can I have your email, contact, Skype details? This is a temptation. You understand? So let me copy this question. Please don't ever do this. Otherwise, Fiverr is going to shut your account up. It does not matter how much you have in that account, you will forfeit it. Fiverr frowns at you giving people your contacts. People must not contact you outside Fiverr. Okay? Oh, sorry. Let me copy that again. You must not do this as a seller on Fiverr. It's against Fiverr policy. All right. Okay. I remember a client gave me a project and he said he didn't have money. He now said, can he pay me outside? But it was a tempting offer, but I had to tell him no. All right, get all the information you need from buyers to get started. All right, so here you're going to drop the information you need. All right, so I can now ask, do you have a domain, a registered domain, and hosting? You understand? Now, if yes, please send me the login credentials. Okay? Now, 2. Number 2. Okay. I need you to send me your website content, colors, images, and logo. Kindly refer to my queue frequently question and answers section on my gig page. Okay, right. So it should send. So you now ask, it should send you in form of multiple attachment. Can send you in form of attachment. Okay, so like I said, this is applicable to me because of my gig, which is web design. You are offering something else, you will ask for something different. Okay, showcase your services in a gallery. Okay, so you can encourage buyers to choose your gig by featuring a variety of your work. So I'm going to do this later. To comply with Fiverr terms and service, make sure to upload only content you either own or you have the permission or license to use. So I'm going to upload my images here later and video if I want to, all right, and any other document. Okay, so but for now I don't. Oh, they're insisting I have to. Okay, let me browse and pick. Oh, let me browse and pick one image. Let me browse and pick one image. Let me browse and pick one image. Okay, maybe just for the purpose of this, let me just upload a random image. I'll go back and work on this. I go back and edit this, please. Just let me just put any image I have here. Let me just put any image. I need to edit this. I need to edit that. Okay. So let me see if that would allow me to proceed. Okay, I think it's saving. So guys, that is how to create your gig. You're almost there. Complete the following requirement to start selling. Let's check if you need to fill out our form W9. Is used in the US for tax purposes. You are required to fill it out only if you're defined as a US person by the US tax authorities. Answering no completes the check. I am not. Okay, so I have. So with that, you are done. Close. So I finished setting my gig. All right, so I published the gig. Done. You did it. Gig is now live. Ooh. That image I put there is supposed to be my thumbnail. Sorry about that, guys. I'm going to show you. I will show you how to create a thumbnail, how to do that. Okay, so this is my gig. This is my gig, guys. You have successfully created a gig. We have created a gig. It is now active. People can see this gig when they search on Fiverr. Okay, people can see. You see that image is supposed to be a thumbnail. Let me quickly show you how to create a thumbnail. Canva. You can go to canva.com to create a thumbnail. I need to edit that right away. Okay, so now let's check out the thumbnails these guys have used. WordPress fix in 24 hours. Okay, I'm going to use this Fiverr thumbnail. Let me see. Okay, thumbnail. I'm going to use the same thumbnail I use for YouTube here. YouTube thumbnail. All right, so I'm going to create quickly. I want to do a quick one. Create a thumbnail. Create a thumbnail. Thumbnail. All right, so this is the dimension. So I want to quickly come here, and this is canva.com. Canva.com is a free tool, a free platform you can use to create graphics, logo, and your thumbnail for YouTube and for anything you want to do. All right, so I want to quickly create this. So let me look for, let's fill this up with color. I want to use blue. Blue stands out. Okay. I want to look for elements. WordPress. Let me see. Just need a WordPress logo. Let it load. Okay, I can use this. This is free. I can use this. Right? This is free. I can use that, but it's not showing. Why? Okay, I drag and drop. Okay, so it's there now. So WordPress. Let me see. What did this guy say here? Oh, sorry, my system is going down. Let me quickly do this. WordPress developer. WordPress, work with love. Okay, so you can just write anything here. WordPress. Oh, I can put here best WordPress developer on Fiverr. Right? Write within, whatever you want to write, you can write it. You're not limited. Okay, so I write that. Put the colors. Yeah, if you want a complete tutorial on Canva, I can do something for you. Right? Best WordPress developer. No, let me remove the best WordPress developer. Okay, I just hope that my laptop battery will be able to let me do this. Okay, so that guy's gig is saying what? So WordPress fix in 24 hours. I think I like that. That is even striking. WordPress fix in 24 hours. WordPress fix in 24 hours. That is striking. Very, very striking. So I pick that, put it here, move this guy up. Right? So I'm going to put this in, use yellow here. Use yellow. Yeah. Then that looks good. Or maybe. Okay. So let me use this for now. Okay, guys, I can always change it. Right? So I download, click on download. Oh, click on download. Sorry guys, my internet is slowing down, but we're almost through. So click on download. I will download it. I can come back to my gig here and edit it. You can always edit your gig, okay? You can edit your gig. So I come here to edit it. What I want to edit is just that thing. So you save. You save it. Edit pricing, description, gallery. Okay, you go straight to the gallery and edit this picture. Edit this picture. What's that? Add heading. Add a heading. So let me check that image I just created on Canva. Let me see if it's here. This is the image. So I just pick it and add here. Right? So I've added that image. That's my gig thumbnail. Well, I'm just rushing this right now. Maybe another time I'll take my time and teach you how to design your thumbnail on primary. Yes, primary. Why? All right, so I've added a thumbnail to the gig. So the gig is live now. The thumbnail, everything is in place. All right, so you can come here, the overview of the gig. That's the gig there. Go to your gigs and check it out. You see, the thumbnail is there right now. This is the thumbnail. Guys, this gig is ready. Buyers can see this gig and they can place order and will start making money. Guys, you have to encourage me. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like and comment on this video. You can tell me thank you. You can tell me what you don't like about this tutorial. Just let me know. I need your feedback. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video. I'm going to show you gigs you can easily sell on Fiverr without skill. Gig you can sell on Fiverr without skill. That's the next video. Watch out for it. Thank you. See you. Bye.